how to order box lunches from Jimmy John's Catering menu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your browser and then go to Jimmy John's official website. Once you're there, you need to go to catering in the top left and then scroll down. You can see box lunches right there. Just tap on it and then choose the box lunch of your choice and then tap to add to order. And then you can choose whether you want it delivered or you'll pick it up at a store. So you can just put in your location and then choose the store near you and then start your order. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.